Hi friends, today we're making air fryer scrambled eggs. I'm using my Ninja Foodi Max Tendercrisp multi-cooker, but feel free to try this out with the air fryer you own at home. Start by greasing a cake tin or an air fryer baking pan. You then want to crack 3 eggs. If you're new here, welcome. Kindly don't forget to subscribe as well as hit the like button. Feel free to double the ingredients if you like. Proceed on to whisk the eggs. Then add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Add some salt and pepper to taste and then combine. Add a third cup of shredded cheese and a tablespoon of cold butter. Next, set the trivet in place and place the pan on top. As a tip, use aluminum foil like this if you don't have a trivet. In this case, you want to form a kind of belt that will help you lift the pan the same way you would if you had a trivet. So I thought it was important to show you guys this, and now we're just going to continue with the rest of the steps. Okay, so the trivet is in, next goes in the pan. I'm giving the eggs one final whisk, and then here goes. You also want to distribute the egg mixture evenly in the pan. Air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, about 180 degrees Celsius. For 8 minutes. So the eggs are still going to be runny at this point. The top will be set and the bottom will still be runny, so use your spatula to break it up. You can break the eggs into smaller or larger chunks depending on your preference. Close the lid and air fry for a further 2 minutes. And that's it. We just made some tasty air fryer scrambled eggs. Transfer to a plate, garnish, serve and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.